Hey guys, I am Paramveer Bhatia. I am going to start a new series in e-learning under the name Top Flight Classes. Top Flight Classes aims to provide you with top class education online through video lectures on YouTube which you can watch free of cost. These lectures will be a great help to the students, parents and teachers as well. I am sure that it will help you understand the topic in a simple way which will be easy to remember. The first area of focus for top flight classes would be class 10th mathematics, and then it will move on to class 11th and class 12th mathematics, and then steadily expanding into other subjects of almost all the classes. Through our online lectures, we at Top Flight Classes want the students to learn and gain knowledge so that they can achieve new heights, which is also our motto. I can assure you that if you watch my videos regularly, you will be able to achieve an amazing score in your tests at all levels. I will formally flag off the channel on 4th September 2019 with video lectures on Class 10 NCERT Mathematics. Please feel free to contact me on email or WhatsApp. All these details are given below. Top Flight Classes official website www.topflightclasses.com is under construction and will be launched shortly. You can watch the lectures there as well, and you can send your queries on the website too. So friends, please like, comment, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for all updates. Happy learning!